And now for something completely different.
Now this is I loved this wine when I tasted it, and this is a restaurant-only wine. And we're fortunate here at Wine Month Club to get wines that are vinted for restaurant use, and because of our licensing, they allow us to buy them. So you can't find these in the shops. But this
You want to tell them why they have wines for restaurant only?
You can, because you're a restaurant too.
because the restaurants don't want anybody to compare prices. You know, if they see Kendall Jackson for $8 a glass or $10 a glass, you can buy it for $10 a bottle. They think people get upset with it, but that happens. So, but.
Well, a lot of
wow.
We've had this issue before, like the Sycamore Lane. The Sycamore Lane was a
Sycamore Lane was
wine.
great wine. That was made in Montevino.
But it's not always great. Sometimes the vintages are bad, and I don't like them. But this is one of these wines, and I've never even tasted this wine before, that I thought was really great value. Mm-hmm. And if you notice, Ed, and we had this discussion earlier, this is the third of 4 wines that has a screw cap.
Yeah.
That we have. So 75% of the wines this month in the Classic Series have screw caps, and I think that's a prediction.
I want to know what's wrong with the other 25%.
It's actually a prediction, isn't it?
Well, I hope so. I mean, anybody that puts a cork in a bottle of wine is stupid. Absolutely stupid. You want to hear something really crazy?
Right.
I've been in this business for a few years. And I've been doing I get a lot of samples because I blend wine and whatnot. For the first time in my life, I got a corked sample of wine.
Come on.
How long was it in the cork? 2 weeks?
I don't know, but that's bizarre. I've never seen that.
I'm going, no, this can't be corked. And I'm smelling the wine and I'm smelling the cork. And I said, my God, this is awful. I mean, this is really, really bad, though. I mean, because it probably ruined the wine after a day or two. But it's never happened,
But then we were at Hahn Estates, which the wines were great the other day on Monday. And they would never use a screw cap. Mm-hmm. I mean, and then I'm thinking, well, what about if you're New Zealand? You never use a cork.
New Zealand, Austria, Germany. I mean, a lot of the low end Burgundies are in screw caps.
This is really fun.
It's phenomenal wine.
Easy.
Absolutely unbelievable. I'm shocked at how good this is for that kind of money. I mean, first of all, look at the color. Mm-hmm. Smell it. You can smell it, can't you? It's really good.
That's the next step that we're investing in, a smell of wine. Well, actually, the guy from Whole Foods, which is a national chain, asked one of my brokers if he would bring a scratch and sniff label. So you'd scratch it and you smell the Cabernet. Can you believe that?
No. I mean, yes, I can. I don't want to. All right, I'm doing a 95 on this.
I'm doing a 95 too. If you scratch and sniff this, you would get wonderful blueberries and blackberries and a little bit of vanilla in there too.
How crazy is this? $14.99 on the shelf, $7.99 the reorder price, and yes, easily 95 points and a good 95. No, we're going back to red now.